Like that was a one shot.
Okay, so there are roots in there if you want to go in there. I was
Yeah,
kinda
I'm
hoping
going.
to get a jump on these guys.
Let's kill them first.
There they are.
No, I
They're
shot
right
him.
there. I just got fucked up. One was flanking left though.
I thought you just kind of got hung up over there.
They're fighting somebody else. We go left, I think. We gotta make that.
That guy's dead.
He's on our left. Right here. He was healing right here. Heal.
There's a fucking loose barricade right in front of us.
The other side. He's in a bush. Yep, he's in a bush right here. I was gonna say he's healing.
Fucking business. No way you knew I was just standing in
You
that
were healing. Why were you
No
healing and making
fucking
noise?
way.
You're making noise. I
No
ran past you
fucking
twice.
way. No
And I'm like, I
fucking
swear to
way
God,
you knew I
someone's
was standing in
bandaging.
that fucking bush.
You're
You're
saying
a
you're
lying
talking about him.
motherfucker. You were a lying
Lewis, his friend's on the move.
motherfucker.
I thought I cracked his friend with a grenade.
You standing in that bush right now.
I know.
I
You're
completely
making a
submerged.
med. You're using
No,
fucking meds, you
you're a
idiot.
lying motherfucker.
All right, dude.
You're
I
a
ran
lying
past you
motherfucker.
twice. I do have to know where you are, though.
Yeah.
You, sorry.
You're a lying motherfucker. Take it all, because I'm reporting your stupid
Go
ass.
for it, dude. I love it.
Over there.
Lewis, did you get the ping?
I don't see him.
He's right in these.
Is he in the bush?
He's in that bush, yeah.
Nope. To the right. To the right. To the right.
Why the fuck did I hit? One's not, you guys not.
This guy's fucking
I'm down, I'm down.
I'm down.
Me. I didn't know there was. What? How is there two?
Hey, were you guys in your team?
No, we
Yeah,
were
the-
fighting the other guys before.
Oh, were you
Wait,
that
so
guy's
wait.
teammate? Oh, there he is. Okay, hold on. Let me talk to him real quick. Before you kill us. Oh, come on. Let me talk to this guy real quick. Hey, tell your teammate. Oh, there's another guy. Maybe that was his teammate. Were you the teammate of the guy that I killed in the bush? Because tell him he shouldn't be fucking healing when people are running by him. Because I ran by him twice. I'm like, I swear to Christ, someone's Oh, wow, that's a good fight. Nope, that's not him either. Where's the other? There's one more dude here somewhere then too. What the fuck? Let's go.
How did you win? How did you win this fight? What the fuck, dude? You can't hit. Oh, what the fuck's going on?
That's a different. Yeah, this is a fourth team. So you're not with the guy I killed over there? Well, there's a body over there from some. He's a dick guy. He can take his stuff. He said he's gonna report me. I ran by him twice. He continues to heal, letting me know where he is. Oh, you might want to kill that.
Get out of here, dude. What the fucking that sucks. Oh my god, it sucks.
He's at the bottom.
I should have healed that shit.
I think he's on this hill. But he was hiding in a bush. And then he's like, there's no way you knew I was in there. I'm like, dude, I ran by you 3 times and you kept fucking popping bandages while I died.